working with 3D animation and got a BLR motion capture file. This contains motion data for use in Blender 3D animation projects. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to use these Blender motion capture files. If the file is truly locked down, we need to bring out the big guns. I have a hidden file viewer that serves as our ultimate solution for BLR problems. See below for my top choice. A .blr file is typically handled by 3D artists and animators using the open source Blender software. It contains motion capture data, often from live action performances, which is used to animate character models realistically. The user's intent is to import this motion data and apply it to a 3D rig. The .blr format is a binary data structure specific to Blender's motion capture tools. It stores streams of positional and rotational data for various tracking points over time. The design is optimized for efficient storage and quick playback within Blender's real-time 3D viewport, ensuring smooth animation workflows. The reliable first choice for the BLR file type is Blender developed by Blender Foundation. Full rendering of all file components is dependent on dedicated proprietary software. Windows isn't designed to render complex 3D structures, so proper viewing needs specialized CAD tools. We need to force an application assignment, right-click your BLR file and select Open With. If Blender is installed, test it. If it's unavailable, select another program. Testing is the most direct path to the fix. If you cannot access the BLR file, no problem. The stubbornness of the file suggests a specific weak spot. Let's test these common failure points immediately to see where the problem is originating. First, importing in Blender. Launch Blender free from blender.org and use File then Import to load the BLR motion capture file. Blender applies the motion data to selected armatures matching bone names. Adjust bone mappings as needed to fit motion data to your specific character rig, ensuring proper animation playback in the timeline. Next, Retargeting Motion. Use Blender's animation retargeting features to apply BLR motion data to characters with different proportions. Add-ons like Auto Rig Pro or Rococo Studio Live for Blender provide advanced retargeting capabilities, configure source and target armature mappings, then apply motion ensuring natural-looking animation across different character builds. Finally, converting to standard formats. Convert BLR motion data to industry-standard formats like FBX or BVH for use in other 3D animation software. Use Blender's file, then export features selecting FBX or BVH formats. This enables motion data sharing with Maya 3ds, Max Unity Unreal Engine, and other tools beyond the Blender ecosystem. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use File Magic, which provides the one-click solution you need, available at filemagic.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.